So a lot of people ask me how I do it, being one-armed and going through chemo and whatnot. And my basic answer is, do I really have a choice? Like, this is my life. I have to do this every day, so I just deal with it. I appreciate the life that I have because I could not be here today. So I really try to take everything in as it is, and I try to look at the positive in things. Positive thing about only having one arm, extra space at the movies. And sometimes people ask me, like, well, how do you do this? And sometimes I answer with really smart replies, and it may make them uncomfortable, but it's the way I deal with things. I joke about it. It makes me feel better about myself because I know that I can be funny about the situation that I'm in because there's nothing I can do about it, so why be miserable about it? Some people ask me how I drive, and I basically tell them, how do you drive? I drive with my right arm, and I drive with my knee. I mean, everybody texts and drives or calls and drives, so it's not really that hard. So, some other things that people ask me, like how I do it, is like, how do you take a shower? Well, when I'm in the shower, my mom got me some really cool pump shampoo and conditioner, so I just pump it in my hand, and then I just lather up with my right hand. Um, Sometimes I'll just take the bottle and dump it on my head, and then I use way too much, but my hair is really soft. I also paint my own nails, which everybody thinks that that is just the craziest thing, but I will take the nail polish and I'll twist it off in my mouth so the brush is in my mouth with the brush facing out, and I'll just brush my finger against it to paint my nails. And one thing I've found about having a amputation is that you really need to be creative about how you do things. I have not found anything that I don't do now, or I don't do because I have an amputation. I used to nanny and I used to tie the kids' shoes. I cook. I cut vegetables. I do a lot of things without having those accessible things, like having different tools that help me because I don't have a prosthetic limb or anything like that. And I just try to be creative about a lot of things. I use my teeth for a lot of things, which I need to stop doing because I have a nice smile and I don't want to chip my teeth. But I'm just creative. So if you have any questions about like how I do something, ask me and I'll tell you, or maybe I'll show you.